Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on Docker. In the next 2 minutes, we'll cover what Docker is, why it's useful, and how it works. Let's dive right in. Docker is a platform that helps developers easily deploy applications inside lightweight, portable containers. These containers package everything your app needs: code, libraries, and settings, ensuring it runs the same across any environment. Unlike traditional virtual machines, Docker containers share the host system's kernel, making them much faster and more efficient. They use fewer resources and can start in just seconds. So, why should you care about Docker? First, portability. You can run the same container on any platform, local, cloud, or server, without compatibility issues. Second, consistency. Docker eliminates the "it works on my machine" problem, ensuring your app runs the same across environments. And finally, fast deployment. Docker makes scaling and deploying applications easier and quicker than traditional methods. Here's a quick look at how Docker works. Docker images are blueprints that define how to build and run your app. Containers are instances of these images, running the app based on that blueprint. You define the build steps in a Docker file, like which base image to use, installing dependencies, and running your app. With just a few lines of code in a Docker file, you can have your app ready to run anywhere. And that's Docker in 2 minutes. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching.